What's in the skies, January 2022. Starting off on January 2nd, we have a new moon. This will be a very good night for observing and astrophotography. Next, we have a couple of lunar conjunctions. Just before sunrise on the 3rd, we have a conjunction of the moon and Mercury. On the 4th, the moon and Saturn just before sunrise. On the 5th, the moon and Jupiter. And all of these will happen about an hour before sunrise. On January 10th, the comet Atlas will be at perihelion, its closest approach to the sun. Atlas should be visible throughout the night. Also on the 10th, Mercury will be at its highest point in the sky just after sunset. On January 12th, the comet Kowal will reach perihelion and should be visible for about 5 hours right after sunset. On January 15th, the star cluster M47 will reach its highest point in the sky just around midnight. Also on the 15th, the spiral galaxy Caldwell 7 will be at its highest point in the sky just around midnight. On January 17th, we have a full moon. Also on this night, the star cluster NGC 2451 will be at its highest point in the sky. On January 18th, the comet Kowal will be the brightest that it's going to get, so take advantage. On January 18th, the planet Uranus will end retrograde motion. On January 19th, the Ursae Minorid meteor shower will reach its peak. On January 20th, the Borrelly comet will reach its brightest. On the 23rd, the star cluster 2547 will be at its highest point in the sky. On the 25th, the moon will be at its last quarter. This will be a very good day to get an HDR shot of the moon. On the 29th, the moon and Mars will be in conjunction. This will happen about 2 hours before sunrise. On January 30th, the moon and Mercury will be in conjunction again, just about an hour before sunrise. And lastly, on January 31st, we have a new moon and some very well-placed objects. The star cluster IC 2395 will be at its highest point in the sky. The star cluster IC 2391 will be at its highest point in the sky. Also, January 27th is a remembrance day for the Apollo 1 crew. January 28th is also the anniversary of the loss of the Space Shuttle Challenger and its crew. And here's a list of deep sky objects that should be visible throughout January. So this video was shot in the perspective of someone that's in the northern hemisphere. So if you're in the southern hemisphere, keep in mind that most of this stuff, besides like the moon phases, is gonna be almost completely irrelevant for you. So this is the first time I've done something like this, so I 100% got some things wrong. I'm pretty sure I did. If you see anything that I got wrong, feel free to call it out. If you see something in this video maybe that I missed, or something that maybe next month you want to see added on that I can research for you, so you don't have to, feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that this helped you out even a little bit. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care and pray for clear skies.